Welcome back, Year 6, Lesson 8, Fractions of Amounts. Now, I've put a little recap because you should have done this in Year 5 and hopefully you've already started it in Year 6. All right. What is a fraction? Now, remember, fractions are equal parts of a whole. So you've got something, it could be a chocolate bar, it could be a pizza, and you've split it into fractions. All right. So everyday language, you've split it into equal-sized pieces. And you can see here, okay, a fraction has a number above the line and a number below the line. The number above the line is called the numerator, and that's how much we have. All right, usually it's how many pieces have been shaded in if it's a question. And then the bottom number underneath the fraction line is called the denominator, and that tells us how many fractions we have in total. All right, so how many equal pieces are there altogether, the shaded and the unshaded, so to speak. So you can see in our example here, question says, what fraction is shaded red? So if I put my fraction line in, okay, there's 4 fractions that are shaded red. And remember, the bottom number tells me how many fractions there are altogether. Well, there's 4 shaded and there's 2 unshaded. So altogether there's 6. So what fraction is shaded red? 4/6. And what fraction isn't shaded? 2/6. Okay, and the numerators, the 4 and the 2, added together give us our denominator. And like I said, hopefully that's a bit of a recap. So, okay, here we go. So don't scroll. Actually, I'll just do that to hide the answer. So, if you have to work out a fraction of an amount, you can see here, I've asked you to work out what is 3/5 of 20. So step 1, how many times does the denominator, this bottom number 5, go into the amount? So how many 5s go into 20? And the answer is 4. You can see I've put it in brackets. Step 2 then is to multiply that answer by the numerator. And in our example, the numerator is 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Okay, so remember what I was doing. Step 1 was asking myself, how many times does the 5 go into 20? And the answer is 4. And then I'm multiplying that 4 by the numerator. The numerator in our example here is 3. Multiplied together, we get 12. So here are your questions. 6 questions. And you can see I've reminded you of the tips, the steps that you need to follow to work out the answer on the right-hand side. So good luck. Press pause and press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, fab. So let's go through these answers. So first question, 1/8 of 72. How many 8s go into 72? It's 9. 9 multiplied by 1, still 9. 2/5 of 60. How many 5s go into 60? 12. 12 times 2, 24. 3/4 of 28. How many 4s go into 28? 7. 7 multiplied by our numerator, which is 3, gives us 21. 2/7 of 21. How many 7s go into 21? 3. 3 multiplied by that numerator, 2, gives us 6. 3/4 of 76. Okay, got to think about this one now. How many 4s go into 76? Okay, I'm going to put it by here. It's 19. Then I need to multiply the 19 by the numerator, which is 3. So if I do that, 3 multiplied by 9, 27. 3 times 1 is 3, add the 2, is 5. So 3/4 of 76 is 57. And then the last one, 4/6 of 36. How many 6s go into 36? It's 6. 6 times 4, 24. So there are your answers. Now, if you got all of those right, well done. If you didn't, don't worry, because we're going to go through some more tomorrow. Okay, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you for Lesson 9.